Hold on, is that the real Tubers 93? No way. Hold on.
Yeah, what's up, baby mama?
Yo, that's the real Tubers 93. Please don't hack me. I swear,
will
please do not
hack you unless you give me all your Robux right now.
Okay, where's your stand? I have to get you all your Robux, bro. I'm gonna give you.
Okay, let me make a stand real quick. Oh, I'm gonna make a stand right here. You can give me all your Robux. Thank you. There it is.
All right, no problem. All right, hold on. I gotta steal my mom's credit card. I will be right back.
Okay, yeah, go get your mom's credit card. While you're at it, can you give me your mom's number too?
Oh yeah, all right, hold on.
Okay, thank you. I'll be over here while you do that.
Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I got my mom's credit card.
Okay,
right.
thank you.
All right, what star code should I use? I'm gonna use star code Denis because that's my favorite Roblox YouTuber. I hate Kreekcraft. All right.